IT outsourcing is no longer just a cost comparison. SMB leaders are weighing cybersecurity pressure, cyber liability insurance requirements, support backlogs, Microsoft 365 administration, vendor coordination, and whether accounting can forecast technology spend without surprises. As our CFO, Torino Fuad, puts it, outsourcing works when leaders can see who owns the work, how risk is controlled, and how technology spending supports the business plan. That is the core issue. Outsourcing works best when it becomes a managed, security-centered operating model, not a menu of disconnected services. The right model should improve daily operations, approvals, user support, endpoint control, vendor coordination, and budget planning. Predictable flat-rate pricing helps accounting avoid surprise invoices. Faster support routing helps reduce stalled work. Security should be built in from the beginning, not added after an audit request or insurance renewal question. For internal IT teams, outsourcing can also reduce backlog without removing the team's knowledge of the business. Endpoint management, vulnerability management, Microsoft 365 administration, and vendor coordination often create the fastest relief. Security and insurance readiness matter too. Leaders increasingly need evidence of MFA coverage, endpoint protection, vulnerability management, phishing prevention, documented response, and clear ownership. Read the full article on our website and add this to your playlist.